Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to remove hyphen in InDesign. So let's get started the video. The first option is use a shortcut key. Hold Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus H. It will automatically remove all of the hyphens from the text. And the next option is go to the paragraph panel. Click on these three dots and simply uncheck the box labeled hyphenate, and that's it. And that's how you can remove hyphens in InDesign. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.